landfall as a Category 1 hurricane with maximum winds of 140 kilometers per hour, according to the National Hurricane Center. Satellite imagery showed that the impact occurred near Laguna de Perlas in Nicaragua. In Colombia, the force of Hurricane Julia was felt across the San Andres, Torrential, and Santa Catalina archipelago in the Caribbean. What was a tropical cyclone became a hurricane minutes before arriving in the archipelago around 6 p.m. At the moment, it is known that 2 people were injured. Also, 34 elderly people were rescued after being trapped in a nursing home. It also reported damage to 2 buildings and about 100 trees. The storm passed between the islands and moved westward at a speed of 28 kilometers per hour. Hurricane Julia is expected to approach the Pacific coast of Honduras, El Salvador, and Guatemala on Monday.